Hello children, today we are going to start the remaining part of the climate of India. The effect of climate of life in India. Okay. The variety types of climate found across India leads to different types of food habits, the type of clothing and shelter and the occupation of the people across the country. This is the effect of climate of life in India. And then food habits. The type of food grown and eaten by people in a place depend to the climate of the particular area. Then types of food habit. The people of North and Northwest India basically eat chapatis made from wheat, jowar, bajra. As the cold and dry climate, these places basically support these types of growing crops. And next, in South and East India, rice is mostly cultivated and ate by the people as because there is warm and wet climate and the rice is the staple food of North and East India. Now, clothing. Climate determines the kind of clothing people wear. Okay. People living in mountain and hills area as the climate are usually made of wool, and people living in warm places they wear clothing made of cotton. And next, shelter. Shelter. The climate of a place also determines the kind of houses people build. In places like Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, due to a lot of snowfalls, in that areas they have houses with sloping roofs. Okay. In hot and dry area, they build houses with mud and their walls are very thick and windows are very small. Now, occupation. The kind of occupation followed by the majority of people of a region is also largely influenced by its climate. In moderate climate, farming is the main occupation. In moderate climate, the farming is the main occupation. And in cold and dry climate, the main occupation is to rear animal like goats, sheep, etc. Okay. And in place where the climate favors the growth of deciduous forest industries like furniture making and paper making that depend on wood thrive. So, learn the chapter thoroughly and I will send the worksheet. Do the worksheet in your classwork copy. Thank you all.